In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Outlook account. By the end, you'll have your new number added and your old one safely removed so your Microsoft account stays secure and up to date. Make sure you have your new phone in hand, turned on, and able to receive texts or calls for verification. First, open your preferred web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. This is the central dashboard for your Microsoft account, which also powers Outlook. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private window for extra security. Next, sign in with your email and password for the account you want to update. If you're prompted for additional verification, follow the on-screen instructions. This is normal and helps protect your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and select the Your Info tab. This area shows your profile details and is where you can access your security and contact information settings. In the Your Info page, find the section labeled Account Info and choose Edit Account Info. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to confirm your identity again before making changes. That's expected. This page is where you manage phone numbers linked to your account for sign-in, alerts, and password recovery. Now click Add Phone Number, select the correct country or region code, then type your new number carefully. Double check that it's entered exactly as you use it on your phone without unnecessary spaces or leading zeros, and make sure it can receive texts. Choose to get the verification code by text, then wait a moment for the code to arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and look for any filters that might hide short code messages. Enter the code to verify. You'll see a confirmation once the number is successfully added. After your new number is verified and listed, find your old phone number in the same area and click Remove next to it. Confirm the prompt to delete it. It's important not to remove your old number until the new one is fully verified. You always want at least one working number on file for account recovery and security notifications. That's it. Your updated phone number is now associated with your Microsoft account, and the change will carry over to Outlook and other Microsoft services. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Thanks for watching, and keep your recovery details current to make future sign-ins and security checks smooth and stress-free.